Welcome everyone. As promised to you all, so we are starting the education series from today. So this is the series for moving averages, how to trade with moving average. So first let us understand what is moving average. So moving average is what it is actually calculating based on the daily close and dividing the period. So if there is a 3 days of price and the close it's let's say 10, 15 and 10, so the total is 35 and it will be divided by 3, so the moving average should be around 12. So there are many moving averages you can see. So what you can do, you can open the trading view. I will be sharing this link into the description box. Go to the indicator section and here you can simply write MA. So MA is moving average. So you can simply select this one as moving average. After going to this one, this icon will be open. You can click here and you can give the period you want to see as a moving average. So I am using here 50. In the following series, we will be sharing what are the different moving averages you can use and how to choose that one. So this is the thing we are using for 50 moving averages. So here we have used this 50 moving average, and this is a very powerful tool. Some people in the outside, they are actually charging a very hefty amount just to give you strategy based on the moving average. So let me share what are the things can be observed from the moving average. So this is the chart of Nifty, and if I open, you can see till the time it is above the moving average, we can consider that the market is in a bullish phase. Although it's a 50 moving average, but in general, 200 moving averages is being used. So you can check or you can change the moving average by changing here. So if you mark it as 200, it will automatically change. Okay, so but today I am just considering the 50 moving averages. So in 50 moving averages, we can clear based on any rule, based on any algo, that whenever my stock is above 50 moving average, I will play as a bull or as a bullish view. So you can see in this one, the Nifty, whenever it is above the 50 moving average, it always gives you a retracement whenever it is falling from the upside around this 50 level. So the strategy can be, we can buy near to the 15 level moving averages and we can create a long one. Another thing is that if there is any decisive break, what currently we can see that are negative candle, bearish candle at the 50 moving averages. So it may be possible that tomorrow or in the coming week, Nifty may be reversing back from this level, because we can see from this level that whenever it touched this 50 moving averages, always it actually reversing back, or whenever it is actually also given a breakout, then also it also try to stay back the moving average of 50 days. So you can see here many times it took support in 50 moving averages. So you can consider 50 moving average or any moving average where you are actually working. It's a price can take support from moving average one. If price will break above this moving average, we can consider this market as a bull market. If it is closed below this moving average, we can consider it as a bearish market. So let me just give you the overall understanding what you can do from this one. So the thing is that one, if price is above moving average, average view is bullish. If below MA, view is bearish, and take position with small SL when it is near to MA. So these are the strategy you can play. So this is the way you can play the market with using simple moving average. So if price is above moving average, then we can make a view as bullish. If below MA, then bearish, and take position with small SL when it is near to MA. So around this level, we can take position. Even after tomorrow, we can take position around here with a very little stop loss of 50 points. Now let us analyze other stocks. So Reliance. So if anybody has bought Reliance and he feels that he is now blocked, so even you can see whenever this Reliance has broken this 50 moving averages, you can clearly see that there is a significant fall. So anyone can exit or book profit when it closed below the 50 moving averages. So again, you can see how beautifully this simple moving average technique can give you a very good return. So above this we can go long, and as it's closed below this, so we can make a short here also with a minimum stop loss. So this is the way you can trade using moving average. So today we have given you the basic of moving average just using simple 50-day moving averages. In next following series we will try to complete the how to determine the trend using moving averages, how to trade with moving averages, what are the different moving averages are there. So in a whole, whenever you are trying to trade with moving average, please keep in mind that this is the main thing, how you can place the trade in moving averages. So alone moving average can be used as an indicator, and it can give you good profitable trade. The logic is that whenever the price is above MA, view is bullish; when below, view is bearish, or we will exit our position, and we can take we can take position using a very small SL when it is very near to MA. So whenever it is very near to this one, we can take position using a very small stop loss. This is the way you can play the moving average. So we will see next week with another new site how we can trade with moving average. Thank you, and hope if you like it, please subscribe and share with your network. Thank you.